Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make coffee like a cafe at home. Achieving that perfect cup starts with the right foundation. Always choose fresh, high-quality beans and grind them right before you brew. This preserves their delicate aromas and flavors. Don't forget the water. Filtered water makes a huge difference in taste. Let's dive into the details. Choosing your brewing method is key to your desired coffee style. Whether you prefer the clean taste of a pour-over, the rich body of a French press, or the versatility of an AeroPress, each offers a unique experience. A quality burr grinder is essential for consistent grounds, and a digital scale guarantees accurate measurements every time. Precision makes all the difference.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. Quick recommendation. Just like a great coffee enhances your morning, the Echo Dot smart speaker can bring your whole space to life with music and smart home control. It's a perfect companion for your coffee ritual. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now let's get back to the video.
Water temperature is crucial for proper extraction. Aim for water between 195 degrees Fahrenheit and 205 degrees Fahrenheit to avoid over or under extraction. A good starting point for your coffee-to-water ratio is 1 to 16. This means 16 grams of water for every 1 gram of coffee. Feel free to experiment to find your perfect strength. For an even better cup, consider these advanced tips. Always pre-wet your paper filter to eliminate any unwanted flavors. Then, bloom your coffee grounds by pouring a small amount of hot water over them, letting them sit for about 30 seconds. This releases trapped gases. Finally, enjoy your delicious cafe-quality coffee right away.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.